Yo, what's up you guys? So today we're at fucking car show.
Hell yeah.
In the hills of Atlanta. And there's actually some like really crazy shit here. We have to walk all the way over here because it was full.
Château, élan.
Château élan, what's up?
Wine country, baby.
Well, guess what? I'm just a peasant in Château élan because I do landscaping here. Bro, like there's some crazy shit here. There's like a bunch of Ferraris. I saw a Porsche, is Alfa Romeo, like I don't know. I'll show you guys when I get up there. I'm gonna be like a creep and just film everything. Oh shit. Dude, there's way too much shit here. I don't even like know where to start.
There's stuff over there too.
I know, bro. Like, what the hell? I don't even know. Like, I don't even know where to start. Like, everything's all lined up in a freaking circle. God, this bitch is bad. I don't even know where to start. This shit is like overwhelming right here. What the hell?
There's more down there.
This is too much. Apparently there's a whole entire another section. This one looks a little bit smaller. I don't know if this is a real one or like I don't know, one like the fake ones they make, but I don't know. Pretty cool.
A big favor for me, could you pick some winning raffle tickets right now?
Alright, I'd rather have this than anything here. Why is this like all by itself?
If you all don't know what I'm talking about.
Remember we saw these at the dealership before they even like were released?
Château Sport Foundation. Okay, who's the winner? Let's get a bucket right now. 4-3. 3-9-7. Okay, you ready? Got 2 more buckets. We're gonna do another one.
There's a nice Mustang.
He prefers the old muscle cars. And I prefer those Japanese cars. You know,
It's a 72. I was off by 1 year.
even though I have one of like American tuner cars, I still prefer the Japanese ones.
Hold on to this. Like I said. Hold on. No name or anything on here, so you have to look at the number.
Here we go. Oh shit, there's someone sitting inside the car. That's really cuckoo. Once again, there's too much shit here. I don't even like know what to record. This hurts my head. Damn, that bitch is bad. God, please, Jesus, please give me this.
I always wanted to have one of those.
Really?
Those are neat looking.
It's like a face.
I saw one of those in a junkyard when I was about, God, probably about 17. Yeah, I love the top that
Huh? It's like skip. That's so mean.
Exactly. That's right. Exactly right.
I have no idea what this even is. Dude, I think this thing is almost... It's backseat.
Oh, wow.
What the hell is this? What the hell? I was about to say it's all smaller than Miata, then I saw that back seats.
should have brought beers to carry around. Everybody's carrying wine.
We would have been so trashy over here.
How loud do you think that'll be sitting right behind you, Chris? Take a look on the inside of that. How y'all doing?
So, wow, it's actually a manual on like all the other cars.
So, actually, these are classes you've seen kids run.
I love it.
You've probably seen. Yeah, you got plenty of room to throw fishing poles back there.
I actually do. But what I'm really looking at is that over there.
Get the beach pictures.
All right, that and the NSX is my favorite car so far.
I think most people can agree on that one.
I can't even vote.
Just can't get over this photo. You think you're so smart? Look, here's a little Rolls Royce. Wow, so yeah.
First row.
That was literally all the cars at the show. That's
was awesome.
insane. Wow. Yeah, bro, that's it. You know, we saw all the cars here and everything. But yeah, that shit's insane. It's my first time even coming here. Holy shit, I was not expecting that. I was just expecting it to be like a bunch of like boring old American muscle cars, just like every single car meet over in Barrow County. But no, dude, there was freaking everything. Everything from exotics, like Italian, German, British, American, Japanese, like, bro, there was everything here. That was fucking dope. And I think we gotta come back here next time.
Oh yeah.
Dude, let's put cars and coffee to shame.
Edgar's walking down to the hotel.
Yeah, like, dude, we already walked the whole entire place. How the hell did he just get here? Edgar, you're a faggot. Well, yeah, all right. Anyways, guys, yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and peace. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.